Hi guys, welcome back to another video on Solution Lab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the "This account might include sensitive content" issue on X Twitter, making it simple and easy to follow. First, open the X Twitter app on your phone. Once the app opens, tap on your profile icon at the top left side. Now, scroll down a bit and tap on Settings and Privacy. This is where all your account control options are available. Inside Settings, tap on Privacy and Safety. This section controls what type of content you can see on X. Next, tap on Content you see. Here, X gives you control over sensitive media settings. Now enable the option Display media that may contain sensitive content. Once this is turned on, the warning message will be removed. If you don't see this option on mobile, open X Twitter in a browser or on desktop. Log into your account and follow the same steps there to enable it. And that's how you can fix the "This account might include sensitive content" message on X. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to Solution Lab. Also, comment below if you want more X and social media tutorials.